This is Dan Newman from DanNewmanWriter.com. Welcome to a new video.
We hope you like it.
Hello, me and Evan are eating lunch at Loud in the mall.
Yeah!
We're trying to get healthy food, but who knows if it'll work. We did the best we could.
Yeah!
Alright, Evan, what do you think of the food so far?
It's great.
It's pretty good. I got the chicken lob. We just got egg rolls. We got the fried tofu. And Evan got a kid's cheeseburger.
With Dr. Pepper.
Yep, with Dr. Pepper. These peppers, they're not fucking around. Me and Urban Durbin just finished at Loud. What'd you think of it, Ev?
Awesome.
Awesome? I agree. Well, the food at Loud is good. I liked it. I've had a couple other things from there before, and I plan to go back. It's good food. They're friendly people, and it's made fresh to order, so it may take a little bit longer, but it's good food.
Take it easy.